Just a few months ago, a friend of mine was feeling lost after a breakup. He reached out, sharing how he had been trying everything to win her back, but was met with silence. Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps he took that helped him not only regain her interest, but also strengthen their bond like never before. Hi, this is Max from Psych2Love. Our mission is to help you be your best, attract the rest. 1. The Mystic Method. This technique is all about creating an aura of intrigue around yourself. Think about it. We're naturally drawn to things we don't fully understand. By sharing just enough about yourself to spark her curiosity, you create a magnetic pull that she can't resist. Here's how it works. Instead of laying all your cards on the table, give her glimpses into your life that leave her wanting more. Maybe you mention an exciting hobby or a unique experience you've had, but don't dive into all the details. This creates a sense of mystery that will keep her thinking about you long after the conversation ends. 2. The mirror neuron effect. This technique taps into our brain's natural tendency to mirror the behavior of others. By matching her communication style and level of emotional investment, you create a strong sense of rapport and connection. But here's the twist. Once you've established this connection, you slightly pull back. This subtle shift creates a void that she'll instinctively want to fill. Suddenly, she's the one reaching out to you, wondering why you're not as responsive as before. It's a powerful way to flip the script and have her chasing you. 3. The Dopamine Dance. This technique plays on the brain's reward system, specifically the release of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and motivation. The key here is unpredictability. By varying your response times and patterns, you keep her brain engaged and craving more. Sometimes you reply quickly, other times you take a bit longer. This unpredictability creates a sense of excitement and anticipation every time she hears from you, making your interactions more thrilling and addictive. 4. The Confidence Riddle. This isn't about faking it till you make it. It's about cultivating genuine, unshakable confidence that radiates from within. Focus on your personal achievements and the things that make you unique. Remember, true confidence isn't about never doubting yourself. It's about moving forward. When you exude this kind of confidence, it's incredibly attractive. It shows her that your self-worth isn't dependent on her attention or validation. Did you find the video helpful so far? If you did, please give it a like and type "I am attractive" in the comments below. And if you're ready to level up your dating game and become the confident, attractive man women can't resist, I've got something special for you. I've put together a free ebook, Attract Women Like a Pro. That's packed with tips and insights to help you attract women effortlessly. So click the link in the description or the pinned comment to download now. 5. The Passion Principle. This technique is all about becoming a more interesting and compelling person by fully embracing your passions and interests. When you're excited about something, that energy is contagious. Dive deep into the things that light you up. Whether it's a hobby, a cause, or a career goal, your enthusiasm will naturally draw her in. She'll want to be part of that excitement, and before you know it, she'll be the one trying to get your attention. 6. The Emotional Elevation Technique. It is about becoming a source of positive emotions in her life. Plan fun, exciting experiences that create lasting memories. But it's not just about grand gestures. It's also about being fully present in your interactions with her. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings, and make her feel truly valued and understood. When you consistently elevate her emotional state, she'll start associating those positive feelings with you, making her want to spend more time in your company. 7. Create curiosity gaps. It is a powerful way to keep her interested and engaged. This technique involves dropping hints about intriguing experiences or aspects of your life without giving away all the details. For example, you might mention an upcoming adventure or a unique skill you're learning, but leave out the specifics. This engages her natural curiosity and desire to fill in the blanks. She'll find herself thinking about you more often, wondering about these mysterious parts of your life, and wanting to learn more. 8. Power posing. It is a technique that leverages the mind-body connection to boost your confidence. Research has shown that, Adopting certain postures can actually change your body chemistry, increasing testosterone and decreasing cortisol levels. Before important interactions, try standing tall with your chest out and your hands on your hips for a couple of minutes. This power pose can help you feel more confident and self-assured, which will come across in your interactions with her. 9. Rejection immunity. Developing rejection immunity is crucial for maintaining your composure and self-esteem, especially when she's ignoring you. Remember, her actions are a reflection of her, not your worth as a person. Practice reframing rejection as redirection. Maybe she's not the right person for you, or perhaps the timing isn't right. By maintaining this perspective, you protect your self-worth and remain open to other opportunities. 10. Focus on yourself. Lastly, the most powerful thing you can do when she's ignoring you is to focus on yourself. Redirect your energy towards personal growth and pursuits that excite you. Not only does this enhance your overall attractiveness, but it also shifts your mindset away from chasing her. Paradoxically, when you're fully engaged in your own life, you become more magnetic to others, including her. There you have it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to download my free ebook, Attract Women Like a Pro, if you're serious about attracting women and becoming the high-value man women just can't resist. Click the link in the description to download now.